welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is coming out and she's speaking about Misty and the situation with the cheap and clean cake that she's come out with the new name for the cakes that she's coming out with. She's calling it cheap and clean. So Marcia is in refute to this because, as you know, Marcia already has a business called Cheap and Clean. Now, Marcia says that she has a paperwork stated that this name is for her business. So it's something, that is going to be on books. Marcia is not going to back down, knowing that that name is something that she uses. And we all know that when Misty, we cannot use her brand. So Marcia is going after that as well. So go ahead and listen to the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourself a wonderful day.
You understand? Me have a legit paperwork. So me can call it so. You come on social media looking like a damn idiot. You be a Christmas cake and you are cat. This is to show you the level of stupidity that you are. But if you were in America and you register it, you know register. You can always talk out your mouth and call it cheap and cake. But bitch, you couldn't register that and live in America and I come on social media with that. You couldn't register it under that. You couldn't register it. But you're in Jamaica, in a third world country. And it seems as if you're desperate for money. You're going like you're desperate for money. You're desperate for money. Because you have to mind your blood clot man when married or having girlfriend and in whole generation them. While me out here living my life in the United States, living my life and having fun, and you only sit down and get big fat and blood clot ugly. That is it. And a mind man. And you have your money and you can't even look good. You can't even look good and refine. You's a troublemaker. You's a troublemaker. That's what you are. A troublemaker. That's what you are. And nobody not see that. I bet you if I made come out and name something and said this is Nyambad sheet and Nyambad something, Nyambad Saril or Nyambad something. I bet you you'd see the difference. But because of you now, come I use my slogan with the on social media for 3.5 years. Where everybody, somebody must say I try to report my live. But me, well, when I could have report it a little bit more, me I come back with it. Me I come back and me I come back. Yes, Frederica. Everything me come on social media and talk to me video, she do it. So, she a come up now and make trouble. Nobody have a time for you. Thank you for the promotion. Everybody on social media knows my name that. Everybody on social media knows my name that. And it's only a little stupid, non-emancipated Negro people them with on your page. Don't see nothing wrong with that. That you're trying to make trouble. Just to see how desperate you is for money. You're not making enough money. You're right for your behave so desperate because you have your mind man and then wife and pitney. So you're right. And mind your goons them around you. So you're damn right for be so desperate. You're right. And I try to be in competition with the other rest of friends them. We have big house and big something in Jamaica to try to impress them. So you're right for your behave so desperate. But remember, say the only thing lasts forever. That's why she a behave so. She in a competition with her people. First, she in a competition with her own worker parlor. Because she never start do her house and go up her house until when she go up her parlor house, me hear. And she said parlor go upstairs and I go up higher. She said she parlor now build no house bigger than she. Nobody now big no house bigger than she in a Mountain View. And them a walker. So she make sure so she get fear one and go up high up in the year and can manage it. You understand? So what she trying to do is to impress her colleagues and the other girl we are building the Airbnb. That's what she's trying to do. And then she has sport, and then she don't have the space. She not stupid. She not intelligent enough. And me I telling her facts. Me not telling her rubbish. She not intelligent enough. If you go on one different area, go buy one piece of land where she can build a house certain way. She stay same place and get her because she can't move because her man control her. So me know say you have to act like an idiot. Your competition, them where you're doing, you're only gonna be a fool and left the house right there. And then people gonna take it over. You come on social media, both your name cake cheap and clean. Eh? Look how much Christmas. What make you couldn't name it Christmas blessing? Eh? What make you couldn't name it joyful, make a joyful nice? What make you couldn't name it like them there? Since as you're making it in a cheaper version, as I indicated to you. So you can please the Jamaican people, poor people, we can't afford the $9,000 one. Why you never call it that? Why you never call it Christmas blessing? But no, you want to be up right up in the heightness. If you come talk about your name cake cheap and clean. Oh, that's stupid. How that come with Christmas? How that come in to be Christmas cake? Eh? How is that stupid that gonna be if you come in a Christmas cake? Eh? How that gonna be? I mean, to my sensible supporter, wouldn't you name the cake? But she not have no rotted brain. And she dance. Wouldn't you name the cake Christmas blessing? Eh? You name it 99 blessing? Make a joyful blessing? Because you try to accommodate the people who can't afford the $9,000 one. You come down on social media, a follow over the fence and boy your name cake cheap and clean. You know see me dash out my paperwork. My paperwork me pay taxes for my paperwork, you know. My paperwork are legit business, you know. If you were in America, me sue you. If you promote your business with that, me not ask you. At Jamaica, you there. But any at all in America, me carry a courthouse feet. If you come on social media sell a cake like that. Let me tell you straight up. Anything when they want to talk, any at all, you were in the United States and you come on social media and promote cake and my cheap and clean and the whole with the social media. And you did it. And them see where you and I are in contentions and malice or something. You would have get so on their ass. Me not ask you. You can't make people tell you, say, me couldn't do it. Me have a legit paperwork with an IRS number. You understand? So, of course, me trademark it. Of course, me pay my money and trademark it. What you mean? Of course I paid my money and trademark it 2 years ago. You understand? Of course I did. What you mean? Me no want nobody come up and ask me one question. Don't come up and ask me no question. The only person I'm allowed to ask question is my blood clot for members only. Nobody come up and ask me one fucking question. My statement this morning is the fact that she's a troublemaker. I don't care about using nothing. A Christmas something she do. She's my thing is to show only that the woman is a troublemaker. No woman, the girl is a troublemaker. That's what I'm saying. Out of all the name them for put up for Christmas, she come put up cheap and clean. What you think you want to do? Me no sell cake, so you know box bread out of my mouth. Because I want to it, my blessing always come. My blessing might have come small, but them come legit. Me working a hard working money. Me now work with evil. A evil always offer me. Me work with the Almighty God. He said, those that wait upon the Lord shall inherit the earth. We not work with Obia working to catch people money. Me work with the Lord. Me no work with Guzo. Me no in my house I chant things and I carry people name and go Obia man go sit down in the Obia man forget my business. And this is a general conversation. I wait on the Lord until him send the right people to support me. So, come up here on my page last night. I write up all kind of something, this and that. Is the truth? Is the truth? Is the truth? The truth is the truth. Yes, the princess, yes, got ask her if she trademark 99. At that, never go ask them. Then come up here, ask question. The truth, my point is this. She is a troublemaker. She know exactly what she's doing. And then them come now. She used cheap and clean. You know, it wanna look like an idiot. Wanna look like a damn fool. Because a Marcia come on social media use that everybody have them name where them use. Wanna look like an idiot. Oh, she's making a whole heap of money. Make what kind of money? Eh? Make what kind of money? All she make money, she can't reach Bill Gates status yet. And she can't reach Azan status. And she can't use a Bustrad. And she can't reach a Bustrad status yet. That is my thing. Exactly. Undercover troublemaker. She's not undercover troublemaker. That's what she is. And it's going to blow up back in her, it's going to come back and blow up right up in her face. Because our people is in denial. They should tell her when she started up and write it, they should write and they say, you know what, auntie, no bother with that. No bother with that, a Christmas season, a Marcia or something that. But no, because them a carry joy and happiness feelings, bad mind feelings from me, because me have played joy and happiness in my life, and the way me live my life, them a carry grudge for me. Nothing can go so. Oh yeah, name Christmas cake, cheap and clean. Eh? Where you come, you so ras enough. For both you come now. You so enough and bright. A Satan you worship. Me know say a Satan you worship, because you hang out with Dr. Love. For the love of Satan. Dr. Satan love. Not Jesus love. Dr. Love. Dr. Satan.